Are you struggling with hair growth, dryness? Is your hair thinning? Then this powerful hair growth mist that I am about to show you now might just be the solution that your hair needs to thrive. It will not only nourish your hair, but it will also strengthen your hair, moisturize your hair, and keep your hair in a growing phase. So let's get started. In a dry plate, I'm going to add 1 tablespoon, not too full, of rosemary. Now, the rosemary is to help boost scalp circulation and stimulate hair growth. The next one that I'm going to be adding is cloves. Okay, so I'm going to add cloves to help strengthen the hair follicles and reduce shedding. Now, I'm going to also add 1 tablespoon, but not too full. Next, I'm going to be adding fenugreek seed. So fenugreek seed is packed with protein that helps to thicken and strengthen your hair. In case if your hair is thinning and you're looking for a natural way to thicken your hair strands, then incorporate fenugreek seed. So I added ½ spoon, and then I went ahead and added additional half to complete it 1 spoon. Next thing I'm going to do now is to blend it, but I'm going to add more ingredients. So I crushed it a little bit, and this was what it was looking like. Now the next thing I'm going to add is my cinnamon sticks. So I added cinnamon stick to help improve blood flow to the scalp and promote faster hair growth. Now I was originally going to crush it with my mortar because I was a little bit skeptical whether my blender is going to crush it or not, but then my blender did a great job, I think. Okay, so I was not looking for a powdery texture. I just wanted to crush it just a little bit, that way it will infuse better. Now the last but not the least that I'm going to be adding in terms of herbs is my moringa. Now, moringa is rich in vitamins and antioxidants that helps to nourish the hair. So now that we'll finish the first step, which is the herbs, the next one that I'm going to be adding now is my oil parts. I don't know if that makes sense. So I added like 2 tablespoons of shea butter. So shea butter will deeply moisturize and seal in hydration. Okay, so 2 tablespoons is okay. The next thing I'm going to add is coconut oil, and I'm going to be adding 1/8 cup of coconut oil. So coconut oil contains good fat that helps to keep our hair strong and shiny. Okay, so now the next thing I'm going to be adding is virgin hair fertilizer. This has been an OG from the very first time that I started keeping natural, my first ever natural journey. Yeah, so yeah, it is a very good grease that helps to stimulate hair growth. It contains amazing nutrients for hair. So the next thing I'm also going to be adding is Indian hemp TCB pomade. I'm going to be adding 1 tablespoon of both my virgin hair fertilizer and my India hemp. Okay, yeah, and that is it. The next thing I'm going to do now is to put it on my stove in a double boiler to dissolve it. And I tell you, the process of making this hair grease is so easy, so straightforward, and that is all you need. Before you know it, your grease is ready. So this blend will deeply nourish the scalp, locks in moisture, and encourage healthy hair growth. So guys, I went ahead and added just a few drops of my menthol crystals into my pomade. This part is totally optional, which is the reason why I didn't bother showing it. Okay, so guys, once everything is dissolved completely, I'm going to bring it down, and here our pomade is ready. One important thing to note is to strain it while it is hot. It is not easy, but you just have to strain it while it is hot, because if you don't strain it as fast as possible, it can just harden on you, and you would have to, put it back on stove to dissolve it and all of that. So try and strain it while it is hot. A pro tip will be to wear a hand glove, so that way you don't really burn your palm. Okay, so now that I've finished straining it, I'm going to pour it into my well sterilized jar. Okay, so that it's going to stay as long as possible. So guys, keep on watching. I'm going to show you how to use it in a way that it will benefit you. And if you're enjoying this video so far, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up. All right, so just keep it on the kitchen counter, and you don't need to do anything. Don't put it in the fridge, there is no need. On your kitchen counter, and give it just a few hours, and it will solidify like this. Now, one beautiful thing about this grease is that it is super lightweight, which means it can easily melt into your hair. Okay, you don't need to struggle or anything. All right, that's one of the reasons why I love it. So if you're looking for a stronger, healthier and more shinier hair that cannot break easily, then try this grease. Give yourself 30 days. Okay, now remember to use it on your scalp and edges too, if you have bald areas on your edges. Now, how exactly can you use it? You can actually use it on your hair 3 times weekly to moisturize your hair. I mean, to seal in the moisture on your hair. Remember to use this grease. You have to apply some sort of liquid. Maybe go in first with your leave-in conditioner or your water spray, and then use this grease to seal in the moisture for a more shinier and vibrant hair. And if you have areas in your edges that are bald, you can use this grease every single day. Use it to massage your edges. I mean, the area where you notice that it is balding, use it to massage those areas every day. It could be in the morning, it could be in the night, but make sure that it is every day. Scalp massage, and there you go. Like, if you're consistent with this treatment, you're going to see results really fast. Just give yourself 30 days with consistent use, and I promise you, even before 2 weeks, you're going to start seeing results that will encourage you to keep trying it. Okay, and as for storage, you don't need to store this anywhere. It is going to last. Since there is no presence of water in this mixture, it is actually going to last a while. Alright guys, so one of the beautiful reasons why I keep using herbs on my hair is the fact that you could never go wrong with using herbs on your hair. For any problem that you have, there is a herb. There is an Ayurvedic herb that will cater for such problem. As long as it's not something that is medically related, as long as it's not something that you have to go to hospital for. Do you understand? For any issue at all that you're having with your hair, be it dandruff, if your hair is not growing enough, there are herbs to stimulate hair growth. If you're noticing that your hair is breaking, there are herbs to even cure that. Okay, so try incorporating herbs on your hair regimen, and I promise you, if you're consistent with it, you're going to see results. Trust me, my natural hair journey has not been a roller coaster. I've had so many challenges, so many ups and downs, and each time I keep bouncing back thanks to Herbal, thanks to Ayurvedic herbs. Okay, so for someone who does not have money to buy all the products out there, start from your kitchen and you're going to see growth. Okay, alright, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you do, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Alright, and until I come your way next time, my name is Favor. Please take care of yourself and bye.